Jaymee's kitchen, man.
Hello and welcome back to Jaymee's kitchen. Today we're gonna do a little recipe on the barbecue. Once again, we're gonna do some chicken, jerk chicken. And for this, we need some chicken drumstick. We have a bunch of them. They were like $7 for all of these. Also making some vegetable, some bell pepper, 2 bell pepper. And we have some carrots from the soup video, so we'll be making that. And then the last ingredient is a jerk marinade that we'll use on the chicken. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we'll put the chicken in the bowl just to marinate them a little bit, not that long. There we go. That's perfect. Now we're gonna marinate them with the sauce. We're opening the sauce. So we'll put some on them. That should be good enough. And then we have the tongs to mix. My friend reminded me this is a tong. So we're just gonna mix like that. We're just putting the sauce, but if you don't have jerk seasoning sauce, what you can do is instead put barbecue sauce. It's gonna be a little bit different, but I made this recipe on the barbecue with barbecue sauce a lot, and it's easy. Right, so now we have this big container. We'll put the chicken in. We'll remove the vegetables first. So yeah, we'll put like the chicken on this side. There we go. All right, let's get cutting. We'll start with actually carrots. Those are like multicolored carrots. So we'll try to do multiple at the same time. Just like roughly chop them. I'm not looking for anything perfect or anything. I'm not gonna put the end in there as well. That's tough. Okay, we'll do these ones like separately. Okay. There we go. We'll remove the ends, those carrots. So those are the carrots. And then we'll put them in a little container right here. Put them on the side. And then we have those bell peppers that we're gonna cut. Just like that. Doesn't need to be pretty. It's all gonna go in the barbecue anyways. So I'm just trying to, I think 1 bell pepper might be enough actually. Yeah, I think that would be enough. There we go. So we'll chop them in, how do you call this? Like stripes? I don't know how you call this. Okay, put that in there. With the vegetable, we're gonna put a little bit of oil on them and salt and pepper. I'm not putting much on these vegetables. So we're gonna put some olive oil. And then we're just gonna let it in the same container as the chicken. Okay, let's put some olive oil on the vegetables. I put kind of a lot. Then we're gonna put some salt and pepper. So for the salt, I'm using Himalayan pink salt. Might put a little bit on the chicken too. All right. And then black pepper. I have some coarse black pepper. We might put a little bit on the chicken too. There we go. And now that's gonna go on the barbecue. Okay, the barbecue is hot. Hot, hot, hot. So it's flaming in there. So we'll put the chicken on this side. And that's gonna cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. We also have the jerk chicken sauce that we can put over when it's in 5 minutes, every 5 minutes, kind of something like that. All right, we're closing it. I'll see you soon. It's been about 5 minutes, so we'll put some sauce in it, just over the chicken to give it more flavor throughout the cooking. So every 5 minutes you open the barbecue and you put sauce on it. It's gonna taste amazing. If you don't have jerk chicken sauce, just put barbecue sauce. It's gonna be fine. And don't put it on the vegetables. Those are fine by themselves. All right, now we're gonna close it. It's probably gonna cook for a little bit more. All right, let's check on the chicken. Ooh, smells super good. We'll put some sauce. Already flipped it a couple times, didn't show it, but we did that. That's probably gonna be amazing. And we're gonna flip the vegetables. Smells amazing in here. What the heck? Hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing amazing. Cannot wait to eat that chicken and vegetables. Yeah! Right, the chicken is at 170. I think that's where I remove it. I'm not gonna grill it. I think it's fine like this. We have a carrot and a pepper. We're gonna taste this. It's probably gonna be hot, so I'll be careful. Please film my face. All right, start with the pepper. Pepper is amazing. You taste like the olive oil, the salt, the pepper. Now the carrot. They've been cooking for like 35 minutes, all this stuff. A little bit tough, but it's fine. And now the chicken. The thing everybody was waiting for. All right. 3, 2, 1. So good. That's a 10 out of 10 chicken. Really like it. I think the difficulty for this recipe, probably a 3 out of 10. The hardest part is to grill them, but it takes a long time. I put them all in the same thing, stir them from time to time, put some sauce on it every 5 minutes. So it's not that bad. All right, and I'll see you in the next one. Cooking with Jaymee. Cooking with Jaymee. Cooking with Jaymee. Cooking with Jaymee. Peace.